Hey guys, welcome to part 5 of our Overlanding build series. So for today's video, we're gonna show you how we built this sliding for our fridge, our mini fridge. Ta-da!
The first step is to cut a piece of wood measuring the same size as your fridge and adding 1/2 inch to 1 inch on the sides for extra space. This will be the inside frame where your fridge will sit in. In our case, we used 1/2 inch plywood cut at 17 by 24 inches.
Next, we cut 2 side pieces measuring 2 inches by 24 inches. We then drilled pocket holes from the bottom of the plywood to the side pieces and used wood glue.
After the glue dried, we drilled on heavy-duty drawer slides.
We put tape over the slides before spray painting the wood black. To be honest, I would say it's better to spray paint the whole wood before drilling the slides.
For the outside frame, cut the wood the same length as your fridge, but for the width you want to add the distance, including the drawer slides. As for the 2 side pieces, we cut them at 4 inches by 24 inches and then drilled and glued them together.
Now add a piece of wood under the slides to raise them about 3/4 of an inch and drill them to the outside frame.
We made pocket holes on the outside frame and then drilled them down, as well as put 2 screws in the back of the plywood to give it an extra hold.
Oh, would you like some tomatoes? Okay. Here we go. Give me some stuff.
We made a fridge slide.
And it just goes back in.
So this is our Dometic CC40. It's a 40-quart fridge. They have larger options and smaller options you could check on their website. This one is not a deep freeze one. This one is just a fridge. There's no freezer included with this. I can't get too much into detail because it's just a fridge. It just cools the food.
Yeah, so it's not like a household fridge because it could actually go on vehicles, so you don't have to have it balanced.
So building the fridge slide, it's difficult if you get the wrong dimensions, so you have to kind of be almost exact, but it's not that difficult when you just have to build 2 of these like just U-shaped boxes right here, and you just have to get heavy duty slides. That's the key. Just get heavy duty slides, you should be a-okay. But this is a short video showing you our fridge install and our fridge slide install. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to be heading on a USA road trip soon, so subscribe for that. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.